If you're running a small business and thinking, I'll just handle the finances myself, this might be costing you more than you realize. Because the truth about why every small business needs an accountant has very little to do with tax returns. Here's the thing. Most business owners think accountants are just there for tax time. But when you really understand why every small business needs an accountant, you realize a good accountant will value add all year round. In this video, I'm going to explain why every small business needs an accountant, the 3 biggest ways they help business owners, and a real example of how the right advice can completely change the direction of a business. And later I'll show you a simple question we ask clients that often uncovers thousands of dollars in missed opportunities. First, let's talk about compliance. Running a business in Australia means dealing with things like BAS, GST, payroll, superannuation, and tax reporting. According to the ATO, businesses must keep proper financial records and report income and expenses correctly. Now, you can technically manage all that yourself, but here's the challenge. You're trying to run the business while also becoming an expert in tax rules. And tax rules change all the time. That's one reason why your small business needs an accountant. They help make sure the business stays compliant and avoids costly mistakes. But compliance is only the beginning. The second reason is financial clarity. A lot of business owners look at their bank balance and think they're doing well, but your bank balance doesn't always tell the full story. Profit, cash flow, tax liabilities, and business expenses all affect what the business is really earning. An accountant helps turn those numbers into information you can actually use to make better decisions. And then there's the third reason, strategy. Let me give you a real example. We worked with a small business owner who felt like they were working harder every year, but their personal income wasn't improving. The revenue looked good, but their profit margins were shrinking, so we reviewed their numbers together. What we discovered was simple. Their pricing hadn't kept up with rising costs, so they were doing more work, but making less money. But once we adjusted the pricing and restructured some expenses, the business became significantly more profitable within a year. That's a perfect example of why every small business needs an accountant. It's not just about reporting the numbers, it's about understanding them. So here are 3 ways you can use an accountant more effectively. First, meet regularly, not just at tax time. Quarterly meetings can help identify issues before they become problems. Second, use your financial reports. Profit and loss reports, BAS data, and cash flow forecasts can guide decisions about pricing, hiring, and investment. Third, ask questions. If you're unsure about something in your business finances, getting advice early can prevent expensive mistakes later. Now, quick reminder, this video is general advice only because every business situation is different. If you're one of our clients and you want help understanding the numbers in your business, watch out for your free business health check report. We provide it to all company and trust business clients with your completed tax returns. If this helped you understand why every small business needs an accountant, give the video a like, subscribe for more practical business advice, and I'll see you next time.